As 2025 ends, space exploration is transforming at breakneck speed. SpaceX's Starship towers rise in Texas, promising to revolutionize access to space, while NASA welcomes a bold new leader with commercial roots. The leap from Starship V2 to V3 isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete redesign, aimed squarely at Mars. Yet progress is hard-won, with every success and failure shaping the future. Government agencies and commercial pioneers now share the stage, blurring lines and accelerating innovation. As Artemis and Mars, ambitions converge, the next few months will set the course for human spaceflight for decades. Starship version 3 is SpaceX's most ambitious leap yet. This new iteration of the spacecraft is designed to push the boundaries of space travel, aiming to make interplanetary missions a reality. The advancements in this version are not just incremental, they represent a significant overhaul in both design and functionality. At Starbase, Ship 39 and Booster 19 are coming together fast, embodying a new era of design. The construction site is a hive of activity, with engineers and technicians working around the clock to meet ambitious deadlines. The rapid pace of development is a testament to SpaceX's commitment to innovation and excellence. V3 is taller, holds more propellant, and is powered by advanced Raptor 3 engines for deep space missions. These engines are a marvel of modern engineering, designed to provide the thrust needed for long-duration spaceflights. The increased propellant capacity ensures that the spacecraft can travel further than ever before, opening up new possibilities for exploration. The Super Heavy booster now features a hot stage ring for improved performance and new docking adapters for in-orbit refueling. These enhancements are crucial for the success of long-term missions, allowing the spacecraft to refuel in space and extend its operational range. The hot stage ring in particular is a game-changer, providing additional thrust during the critical stages of flight. Only 3, but much larger, grid fins now guide the booster's return, reflecting lessons from V2's 11 flights. These larger fins provide greater control and stability during re-entry, ensuring a safer and more precise landing. The design changes are based on extensive data and feedback from previous missions, highlighting SpaceX's iterative approach to innovation. Every system, from avionics to energy storage, has been overhauled for interplanetary travel. The new avionics systems are more robust and capable of handling the complexities of deep space navigation. Energy storage units have been upgraded to provide reliable power for extended missions, ensuring that the spacecraft can operate autonomously for longer periods. Ship 39 is set for critical tests, while Booster 19's rapid assembly signals SpaceX's intent to launch the first V3 orbital flight in early 2026. These tests are designed to validate the new systems and ensure that everything functions as expected. The rapid assembly of Booster 19 is a clear indication of SpaceX's readiness to push forward with their ambitious plans. Starbase is buzzing again, driven by the relentless pace of innovation. The facility is a testament to human ingenuity and the drive to explore the unknown. Every corner of the site is filled with activity, from the assembly lines to the testing facilities, all working towards a common goal: to make space travel more accessible and sustainable. Innovation comes with risk, and nowhere is that more evident than in the world of space exploration. Every breakthrough is built on a foundation of trial, error, and the courage to push boundaries. For companies like SpaceX, the pursuit of progress means accepting that setbacks are not just possible, they're inevitable. This reality became all too clear on November 21, 2025, a date now etched into the company's history. On that day, SpaceX faced a significant challenge that would test not only their technology, but also their resolve and adaptability. Booster 18, the very first V3 Super Heavy prototype, suffered a catastrophic collapse during a ground test at the Massie test site. The incident was dramatic. Metal buckled, alarms sounded, and the booster was rendered a total loss. Thankfully, no one was injured, but the destruction of such a critical piece of hardware was a sobering moment for the entire team. For most organizations, such a failure would mean months of delays, extensive investigations, and a halt to progress. But at SpaceX, setbacks are woven into the fabric of their rapid development philosophy. Instead of retreating, the team immediately regrouped, determined to extract every possible lesson from the failure. Their philosophy is simple yet bold: test to failure, learn fast, and improve even faster. By intentionally pushing hardware to its limits, SpaceX uncovers weaknesses early, allowing them to iterate and strengthen designs before they ever reach the launch pad. The wealth of data gathered from Booster 18's collapse is now being meticulously analyzed. Every sensor reading, every structural failure, and every anomaly is being studied to inform the design and testing of Booster 19. This process ensures that each new booster is safer, stronger, and more reliable than the last. Now, with Booster 19 under construction, anticipation is building. Engineers are applying hard-won insights, double-checking every weld and component, and preparing for the next round of rigorous testing. The entire industry is watching to see if V3's promise can be realized. Success is critical, not just for SpaceX but for partners like NASA, who are closely monitoring every development. The outcome of these tests will shape the future of collaborative missions and the broader ambitions of human spaceflight. As the next test campaign begins, the stakes are higher than ever. The lessons of Booster 18 echo through every decision, fueling a relentless drive to succeed and reminding everyone that in space, progress is always hard-won. In October 2025, the world watched as Starship V3 soared through its final flight, a moment that marked not just the end of a chapter, but the closing of an era in space exploration. The fiery re-entry and dramatic splashdown were more than just a spectacle, they were a testament to years of relentless innovation and daring ambition. This final mission capped a year of unprecedented progress at Starbase, where the pace of launches and engineering breakthroughs reached new heights. Teams worked around the clock, pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible. As V2's legacy was cemented, attention shifted to the unveiling of Starship V3, a vehicle that would build on every lesson learned and set the stage for the next giant leap. Starship V3 proved that reusability and reliability were not just dreams, but achievable realities. Its string of successful launches and landings demonstrated that rockets could be flown, recovered, and flown again, fundamentally changing the economics of space travel. Perhaps most impressively, the Mechazilla Tower's booster catch showcased a new era of rapid turnaround, with robotic precision and engineering prowess on full display. These achievements didn't just retire major technical risks, they inspired a new generation of engineers and dreamers, proving that bold visions can become reality with enough determination. With each milestone, the path to Mars became clearer. V2's success paved the way for a vehicle purpose-built for the Red Planet, igniting hope for interplanetary travel. Starship V3 is being designed from the ground up for interplanetary missions, incorporating advanced materials, new propulsion systems, and lessons learned from every V2 flight. Every detail reflects SpaceX's unwavering focus on Mars colonization, from mission planning to hardware design, and the relentless drive to make humanity multiplanetary. While Artemis missions continue to drive immediate goals for lunar exploration and international collaboration, the long-term vision at SpaceX is always fixed on Mars. Every decision made at Starbase, from construction to mission planning, is guided by the ultimate objective: reaching and settling Mars. Elon Musk's dream is clear: launch the first uncrewed Starship to Mars as early as 2026, a bold step that could redefine humanity's place in the cosmos. Whether Starship V3 will be ready in time remains uncertain, as the challenges are immense and the timeline ambitious. But one thing is undeniable: the pace, ambition, and determination at SpaceX are unmistakable, and the world is watching as a new era of Martian exploration begins to unfold. NASA's new era is led by Jared Isaacman, entrepreneur and commercial astronaut. Isaacman's appointment signals a shift. NASA is embracing commercial speed and risk-taking. His experience commanding all civilian missions and building a tech company brings fresh perspective. Artemis and Mars, plans face pressure, and Isaacman must balance NASA's safety culture with SpaceX's rapid development. Expect more commercial partnerships and a push for a robust, low-Earth orbit economy. His first year will define NASA's direction in this new, fast-paced landscape. Mars' ambitions depend on robotic infrastructure, as highlighted by the recent MAVEN anomaly. MAVEN, a key atmospheric orbiter and communications relay, suddenly lost contact after a routine blackout. Its loss would strain Mars missions, reducing data capacity and redundancy for rovers, and future sample return efforts. The incident is a stark reminder: our robotic assets are aging, and robust interplanetary infrastructure is essential for future human missions. As we plan for Mars, maintaining and upgrading these networks is as critical as building new rockets. 2025 is a turning point. Starship's evolution, NASA's new leadership, and Mars challenges are reshaping space exploration. SpaceX's rapid, risk-tolerant approach is driving progress but also uncertainty. Isaacman's NASA must bridge the gap between commercial speed and government rigor. The Artemis program's success depends on this balance, as does the Moon-to-Mars strategy. The MAVEN anomaly underscores the need for reliable infrastructure alongside bold new vehicles. The coming months will test whether these aggressive timelines are achievable. The interplay between SpaceX and NASA will define the next era of exploration.